What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for NIO. I look at NIO every Monday and every Wednesday. So if you guys are interested in hearing my chart analysis, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. So let's take a look at NIO since last week, Wednesday, and you can see that price did continue to move down lower just slightly, and then we just saw a slight move up today. So technically it's still slightly bearish. It's not really going in any particular direction. We're still trading right around the mid $10 level since basically mid-August, so it hasn't really done that much of a change. But what I possibly can see for the bull case is maybe another leg up. So I'll go over the bull and bear case because since I don't see any particular direction, I have to look at both sides of the story. So basically, what the bulls can do is make another large leg up. So we had one leg up right here, and this could be the start of the second leg targeting the 1176. So we'll see if the bulls can get there or not. If they can, there might be a chance for the bears to come back in the market, aggressive sellers to come back in the market and maybe push the price down like that. But if not, then we might be able to see the bulls reach the $13 level. So that's the target right now. It looks like it is trying to push up higher. It needs to break this EMA and then even the $11 level because that is previous resistance. So there's a couple of strong resistances in the way that the bulls will need to pass through. So that's the bullish case, not that strong, but it is a possibility that we see another large leg up about that size right to the $11 level. What is the bear case? The bear case is if we just stay below this 1050 level, we might just continue to see price work its way down to the opposite side of the orange range, because overall there is this, yellow range. So overall there's this yellow range. The bulls were able to break outside of it and failed. That's when sellers came back in, showing their sign of strength. And now we're just kind of consolidating, figuring out if we're going to continue lower to the opposite side of the yellow range, or we're going to see another breakout attempt. So right now, it's an indecision. It's a waiting game. We have to wait and see what the bulls want to do or the bears want to do. But that's the bullish case, to see price reach all the way up to the high 11s. And then if bears continue to push down the price, then this would be the target right over here, the opposite side of the yellow range at the mid 750 level. So that's how I'm looking at NIO. It's not really looking bullish until we see another breakout of the range highs, which is at the $13 level, because we can always go back there and find resistance because it was resistance in the past. So that's how I'm looking at NIO. It's not really clear what it wants to do as of right now. It's kind of just trading around that $10 level for quite a bit of time now. But again, it can move up higher. I'm not saying it won't. If it moves up higher, I'm looking for the high 11s. And there's a good chance it might stall out over there and the downtrend might resume. If it doesn't stall out, meaning we just see a break of it and the bulls just ignore it, then I'll be looking for the next target of the low 13s. However, if we don't do any of this and the bulls are too weak to reach that target, and meaning like we get rejected from the $11 level a few times, then it's probably just going to continue down lower to maybe this low right over here at the 943, and then maybe in the 755. So that's how I'm looking at NIO on the daily chart. Basically, it depends on what I see from now on. If I see signs of strength or weakness, I'll have a better idea of where price is heading, because right now it's just stuck inside the middle of the range. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart. Overall, you can see that it's getting pretty consolidating near the middle of the range for about 4 weeks now. Maybe this week we'll have a better idea what it's trying to do. But overall, price had a huge move up. It crashed back down. It's consolidating. We could see another big move up. Again, depending on if we see a break of that $13 level or not, that'll tell me if we're going to reach this measuring target. But until then, this is still kind of a bearish territory, because it's this consolidation is right after a sharp move down. So there's a good chance that it's a continuation pattern for future downside. Whenever you see a move up, price is consolidating, it's a higher chance price will break out in that direction. Same thing works in reverse. So if we see a move down, consolidating, there's a good chance it can continue lower. But again, that's not guaranteed. If I see this and I see signs of weakness from the sellers, like they're not able to push down lower, that's when we see like the reversal back up to the upside. So I'm not saying we will go down lower. I'm saying we can, and it's probably more likely as of right now. But again, if we see a huge move up, a break of the $13 level, then that changes things. As of right now, this is still bearish territory. So that's all I have for NIO this week, Monday, and I'll give you guys an update on Wednesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.